Hello everyone. How are you guys doing? Today I'm sharing with you guys another, well, I can still say it's garden update. I'm sharing my balcony garden, container garden. Uh Giving you a look at things that I'm doing, and I also share the updates of plants that I propagated. And that's why I say it's half propagated garden, because some plants I bought, and I didn't propagate, and some I propagated, or some I grew from seeds. And these right here are so cute and adorable because I bought several of these little planters from the Dollar Tree, and I decided to put different plants in some of them. Some succulent, and I got my creeping Charlie. And yeah, I just want to share what I've been doing and to help my garden make me happy when I go out there and look at it. Give me something to put a bigger smile on my face, because I love all the plants on my balcony garden that I have right now. But anyway, this is really going to help me put a smile on my face, because I got these little tiny planters I got from the Dollar Tree, as I mentioned. And as you can see, I have several different plants in them, and they're all so adorable. The turtle and the elephant planter and the little fox planter are larger in size than the little cat right there. You guys can see it. So yeah, I'm going to keep these trimmed down. So the purpose is to have miniature succulents, and I think that would be really, really nice. Miniature succulent plants, gorge. And so yeah, the maintenance I'll do on these is just to keep them trimmed so they don't get big and just outgrow the little containers. Some might do that, but hopefully I can manage them and keep them under control, where I can just keep them displayed like this. Tiny little succulent. And this one right here, this is a creeping Charlie I put in here. So this is going to be a little sight. And I plan on trying to do some other things with my garden as far as decorating. I did get some flower seeds, so I'm going to be planting my flower seeds. I'm in Southern California. We're going to be getting rain. Meaning I'm changing the conversation, changing the subject. We're going to be getting rain, I guess, tonight. So a lot of my plants are going to love that. But yeah, I'm going to take these little tiny cute planters out there on my balcony garden, and let you guys see where I'm going to place them for now, because I still have to declutter and clean up my balcony garden. But hey, you guys, back to my little planters. Which one is your favorite? The elephant, the cute little fox, the tiger, or the turtles? Which one is your favorite little planter? Let me know. If you guys, any of you gardeners have any of these, or if you guys seen any other cute planters that the Dollar Tree has, let me know. Maybe you'd like to send me something. But yep, I'm just rattling on about my experience with my gardening and what I love and what I want to share with y'all. My garden chit chat, my garden projects, my garden activities. I'm so loving getting back into my gardening and stuff like that. I'll be back.